Hello everybody, I'm Sharmishta Paul and I'm a psychology teacher in Navratna School. Today I would like to tell you all something about the word sex or sexuality education. The moment we speak about this word, sex, half of the people will either feel embarrassed, especially children, and why only children, even parents. They don't feel comfortable even forget about discussing in detail, even speaking the word in front of their children. And this, in a way, is affecting the lives of the adolescents.
The attitude of parents, teachers, friends and all the elders in the family is abysmal as far as sex education is concerned. As you rightly pointed out, no one even wants to use the correct words for the right things, and the word sex is almost treated like a gali and never talked about. And it doesn't help the children, neither the boys nor the girls, and for some reason the elders refuse to participate in sex education on a proactive manner in spite of such bombardment of information from all the print media, social media and the TV and the movies, etc. So we have this very hypocritical attitude towards sex which is not helping our youngsters. So in many senses the growth and the development that we see in the country are not getting matched by making our teenagers more informed and smart about their choices.
In my experience, children, when they get the biology book, the first thing they do is they look at the reproduction chapter. Teachers skip this topic. Then children get an idea that this is something which should not be discussed in public. They will refrain from talking about it to their parents, to their elder siblings also, and of course to the teachers. This becomes a very secretive matter, and if there is curiosity, if there are questions that arise in their minds, they do not get enough. If they don't have enough information or resources, teachers don't talk to them about it, then the resources that they look for are always the ones that are not authentic and give them a skewed idea about reproduction. So it is always good that in the class this subject is taught and it is dealt with in a very wise manner so that the children have a clear idea of what they are talking about. Since reproduction is a system of the body just like any other system, and the factual aspect of reproduction is directly related to hygiene, it is related to diseases, it is related to moral conduct also. So I think it is a very good opportunity for teachers to give a message about reproduction that otherwise they would not be able to give. So if the teacher uses this opportunity, I think it will be a better service to the society, because these children are then going to remember what they were taught in school and behave accordingly.